Hi, let's create flowers using Crayola markers and our fingers. That's right, we are finger painting with markers today. For this project, I'm using mixed media paper. We have done a similar project using watercolor paper and markers, and the results are different. And you can see that video in the description below or click the link. First, we need to create 3 line stars. That's just an X with a line through it. Now, I'm going to do mine like a small child would draw the X and stars, the X with a line through it. So you can see that it doesn't matter how neat or messy you draw them. Stay in a loose circular shape. Now for the fun part. Wet your finger with clean water and then pounce and blend on those marker stars. Can you see a hydrangea forming? I'll do maybe 5 of these. Now for the vase, I will use a gray marker to create a glass effect. You can do your vase in any color you like. When it's dry, you can now paint your background. I splatter painted mine, and I just didn't like it. It got all muddy. I got it too wet, too muddy, the wrong colors, and I just wasn't happy with it. So I'm going to show you how you can fix a background just in case something like that happens to you sometime. Grab your scissors and cut out your flowers and vase. On another piece of paper, make a new background, and then you can glue your flowers and vase to the new background. The fun part is you can try colored paper, construction paper, scrapbook paper, or you can even paint your own background. Here's a few colors that I have so that you can see how different the flowers look on different colored backgrounds. I'm just going to do colorful dots, tiny little dots on my background, like sprinkles. I have grandkids, and they love sprinkles on just about everything. So why not sprinkle a background? Here's another one that we did using a yellow marker for the background. I scribbled the yellow marker, and then I wet my finger and then blended the marker in circular little motions. And then I added a pink tabletop for the vase to sit on and a punch of color. Wouldn't something like this make a great gift for someone? How can you use your God-given creativity for someone today?